Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Omni. Today we will cut this air mesh with a digital cutting machine, and we cut 8 layers at one pass. The air mesh for 8 layers is ready, and let's check how is the cutting quality.
Mesh fabric is used for net products like net bag, fishing net, for sportswear like shoes, shorts, shirts, furniture covers, car seat covers, cushions, matches, and more. Cutting mesh may be done by rotary cutter. Well, you may be impatient for its low cutting efficiency and poor cutting quality, high scrap rate. Cutting mesh fabric at high speed, 8 layers at one pass, achieving high quality and much less waste. These are all what we desire. Digital cutting machine is the best solution for mesh fabric cutting, not just about advantages. With the fabric spreader, no need labor to spread the fabric. Roller is capable of just spreading without offset. It can cut any size, any shape on mesh fabric, and the cutting date can be recorded on the computer. With the conveyor table, the machine will automatically drag the material to cut after cutting last batch work. So the productivity will be several times comparing manually. And you will pay less labor cost, earn more benefits, and gonna be more competitive on the market. You can see there are notches on upper of shoe. This notch is much easier for sewing later. Thanks for watching the video and welcome to subscribe us.